So, Great Western is back, and we have a short book review about Marillion, and I am hoping to do some more videos about Marillion in the near future. In this episode, I would like to look at Nathaniel Webb's Decades, published in 2020. This book is full of surprises, but from the front cover and the generic style of the book titling, there are signs that this should not be a winner. But look closer. Now look past that awful royalty-free image of the band on the cover. It looks like they woke up one morning and somebody dragged them through the Blake 7 prop room at the BBC. It's truly awful. And the whole titling of the cover looks like this is some sort of cheap Amazon book series or something like that. But this book is packed with genuinely exciting information about what I regard as Marillion's most important 10 years. Now, it is true that if you look closely at this book, Nathaniel Webb has not done a moment's primary research in talking to anybody involved in this story. He only uses quotes from old music magazines, and often, early in the book, relies really heavily on the late 90s Marillion CD remasters sleeve notes. Now, in fairness, those sleeve notes are really interesting, but the lack of primary sources in the book feels quite forced at first. But read on. I think one of the things I found most interesting about this book is that we get often overlooked information about the formative years of Marillion from 1979, and tales and legends of the founding members, and of course the band's subsequent rise to fame from 1981 onwards. So, no primary sources, but what marks this book out for me is the thoroughness of the research and the narrative created. Now, the book has a lot to say about Marillion's music, and we'll get to that in a minute, but I didn't feel that anything of the story was missing at all. And I've read, many blog posts and several books about Marillion. The story is something that you piece together over time, but I didn't feel that anything was missing from that first decade at all. Yes, I guess I could have made this book myself from my own sources by doing a bit of research, but hey, it would have taken a very, very long time. So this is a really comprehensive compilation of information about Marillion's first decade, and there are many, many quotes from band members, managers, sound engineers and things like that. What does Nathaniel Webb actually bring to this book? Well, for me, the most original aspect was the discussion of each and every song from 1980 to 1990. And Webb is a musician, and there are lots of technical details about the keys that the songs are played in, the drama created by key changes, instrumental techniques, instrument used, and lots of information about the tempos of the songs and their changes. So, if there's no original interviews or anything new, what is the value added of this book? Well, we should thank Nathaniel Webb, because the value added is the fully comprehensive narrative pieced together from different sources, and the very interesting and informative technical information about the song's construction and how they are played. That is genuine insight, so thank you for that, Nathaniel. So to sum this up, this book is not only an excellent one-stop Marillion history from 1979 to 1990, but it brings musical insights to each and every track recorded during that period, even the ones that you've never heard of, unless you're an absolute Marillion diehard who's heard the demos from, I think it's 1980. So amazing stuff. And yes, Season's End and the Hogarth album do get analysed, and Fish's Vigil in a Wilderness of Mirrors, because even though Fish had split from the band, those two albums are kind of dovetailed to one another. The book truly is a complete record of Marillion in the 1980s, exactly as the title suggests. Recommended. Thank you for watching Great Western, and look out for more videos coming soon in the weeks ahead. It's good to be back. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching Great Western. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, like and consider subscribing to this channel. Your likes and subscription will encourage me and help build this brand and open up more of my insights into the world of music, television, tech and more. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching Great Western, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and consider subscribing, because by doing that you will really encourage me, and there will be further insights into music, TV, tech and much more. Thanks so much. Bye bye.